Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Facebook Business Portfolio account name. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Facebook and Meta Business Suite to update your business name safely and correctly. Start by opening Facebook in a desktop browser and sign into the account that manages your business assets. For this change to work, you should have admin access to the page and the associated business in Meta Business Suite. On the Facebook home screen, look to the left-hand navigation panel. If you don't immediately see all options, click See More to expand the list. Scroll down until you find Pages, then click Pages to view the list of pages you manage. From your list, select the page connected to the business whose portfolio account name you want to change. This will open the page view with management options in the left navigation. In the left navigation, click Meta Business Suite. This opens the dashboard where you manage assets like pages, ad accounts, and settings in one place. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal. Wait until the top navigation and sidebar fully appear. At the top left of Meta Business Suite, click your Meta profile or Business Selector. This opens a panel that includes administrative controls. From there, click Settings to enter the central settings area for your business. In the Settings menu, look for Business Info and select it. This section houses your official business details, including the name that appears across your Meta Business portfolio. Take a moment here to confirm you're editing the correct business entity if you manage more than one. Next, click Edit next to the business name field. Type the new business name exactly as you want it to appear. For best results, use the official, customer-facing name of your company, avoid unnecessary symbols or punctuation, and make sure it matches your branding on your page and website. Consistency helps users recognize your business and can prevent review delays. When you're satisfied with the new name, click Save. Facebook may review certain name changes to ensure they meet policy guidelines, so the update might not be instantaneous. If a review is required, you'll typically see a notice, and the change will take effect once approved. After saving, revisit your page in the Business Info section to confirm the update, and consider aligning your page name and username if needed for a unified brand experience. That's it. You've successfully navigated Facebook and Meta Business Suite to change your Facebook Business Portfolio account name. Thanks for following along, and great job keeping your business details up to date.